In this video, we are going to work on stroking, power pulls and crossovers with different arm positions to help improve ankle and knee bend, upper body twist and coordination. All of these exercises are essential for figure skaters to enhance their skating skills and can be included in everyday practice warm-ups on the ice. Our first exercise will be forward stroking with arms making a full circle over 4 steps. We will take this in slow motion and go over each position. We will begin with forward stroking. After the first push, your arms will go down into the preparation position. With the second push, your arms move forward into first position. On the third push, they go up into third position. And finally, on the fourth step, they open outward to the sides. Then you repeat the sequence. So you are making one full circle with your arms while taking 4 pushes with your legs. Next, we will move on to backward stroking. When doing backward stroking, extend your free leg in front while your arms follow the same movement pattern. Be sure to bend your knees and ankles, push with 1 foot swivel, and extend your free leg with a turnout and point toe. Keep your back straight, head up, and coordinate your arms. First push, arms going down. Second push, arms move forward into first position. Third push, arms going up into third position. And on the last push, arms open to the side into second position. Then the sequence repeats again. Introducing arm movements early is important for figure skaters to develop coordination and apply the skill in future exercises and choreography. You can find more videos on forward and backward stroking by clicking the link above or checking the description below. In our second exercise, we are going to work on power pulls with different arm and free leg positions, focusing on using your edges by engaging only your skating leg. Your free leg should remain straight behind you on the forward power pulls, turned out and pointed without any movement. Your arms should be locked in front, kept as straight and still as possible. Do not move your arms or free leg. You can see in this demonstration that the skater maintains the same arm and free leg position throughout the exercise. Every time you draw a circle with an outside or inside edge, you should bend your knee and ankle. As you change your edge, rise slightly by straightening your knee and ankle, then bend them again. The deeper you bend your knee and ankle, the deeper your edge will be, improving the quality of your power pulls. Now we are going to do backward power pulls. In this exercise, your free leg should be held in front, kept straight, turned out and pointed. Your arms should be raised above your head. This is a very challenging exercise, especially if you focus on keeping your arms straight. At first, you may struggle to keep your shoulders still and your arms straight, which can make balancing difficult. You can see in the demonstration that the skater initially had trouble maintaining shoulder stability and arm position. But on her second attempt, she kept her shoulder and hips square, with her arms slightly bent but still above her head. As she continued, she was able to straighten her arms more, which is the ideal position for this exercise. Notice the deep knee and ankle bend, creating a strong outside edge. She then straightened her skating leg while keeping everything else still. Her free leg remained in front and her arms stayed above her head. As she changed edges, she bent her knee and ankle again to transition onto the inside edge. She continued drawing half circles while keeping the rest of her body as still as possible. Make sure to check out my playlists for more exercises that fit your needs. If you enjoyed this video, push the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated for new releases. Next, we are going to work on forward and backward perimeter crossovers, incorporating different arm positions. First, we will place the arms behind the back and hold them as straight as possible. With each crossover step, focus on twisting your upper body. Let's look at this in slow motion. You can see that when the skater pushes into the circle, she twists her upper body. Because her arms are restricted, she is forced to rotate her upper body instead of relying solely on her arms, a common mistake among beginner skaters. On the second push, she maintains the twisted upper body position around the circle, then steps into a 1-foot glide, switches direction, and twists into the next circle. She pushes with the one foot, crosses with the other, maintains a deep knee and ankle bend, then steps into a 1-foot glide to switch circles again. This exercise is excellent for improving upper body rotation and learning to lean into the circle. Next, we will do backward crossovers with a 2-foot transition, completing 1 crossover per half circle. Notice that when the skater pushes into the crossover, she looks in the direction of her movement and twists her upper body into the circle. On the second push, she crosses her legs into a strong position and generates power from her push. She then turns her head in the direction of movement, performs a 2-foot transition, and switches circles. She repeats the sequence, pushing into the next circle, looking through her leading shoulder inside the circle, pushing with the second foot, and transitioning again on 2 feet. For the second variation, we'll place the arms in front. Keep your elbows lifted and arms bent, folded in front of your chest. Maintain a straight back, head up, and focus on using your upper body to follow the circular pattern. Keep your knees and ankles bent, finish each push fully, extend your free leg, and rotate your upper body as you step on 1 foot across. To work more on twisting your upper body, you can also practice on this exercise on a blue or red line, making your circles tighter and bend your knees and ankles more, getting into deeper edge every time you step into crossover. The same applies to backward crossovers. Ensure your upper body stays upright, your knees remain bent, and every push is executed with full power. Always look in the direction of movement. Use 2-foot transitions on inside edges across the axis and keep your back straight, head up, and hips aligned. For more crossover exercises, click the link above or check the description below. Join my channel membership for exclusive perks, get priority responses to your questions, request custom videos tailored to your needs, and receive personalized advice to accelerate your skating progress with my professional guidance. For the final variation, we'll place the arms straight above the head, close to the ears. This position keeps the upper body tall and helps maintain hip alignment during crossovers. The exercise includes both forward perimeter crossovers with a 1-foot glide and backward crossovers with a 2-foot transition. Try to keep your arms straight above your head through entire exercise. It will help you to strengthen your back muscles and improve your posture. I hope you found these exercises helpful for improving your stroking, power pulls, and crossovers. Remember to focus on proper technique, maintain strong posture, and engage your upper body for better control and coordination. For more detailed tutorials on the most common mistakes, exercises to correct them, and drills to refine your skills, visit my website styleskating.com. Be sure to check out my Figure Skating Foundations video course designed to help skaters build a strong technical foundation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.